くださいます。てくださいます。てくださいます and くださいます is different when you use. So the truth that くださいます and てくださいます you will use when and where. Ku dasaimasu and te kudasaimasu just have the same meaning, which means that when the when the person that have a high status more than you give you something, so they will use kudasaimasu. That means when you receive something from the person that have a higher status than you, so you use kudasaimasu. But so what is the difference between kudasaimasu and te kudasaimasu? Te kudasaimasu you use with the verb in the te form, and that means when the person that have the higher status more than you do something for you, in that time you use te kudasaimasu to help explain for another body do something for you. So now we have some example. Let's see together. For example, in here we have the sentence like this. 社長が私にお土産をくださいました。社長が私にお土産をくださいました。Which means that the company president gave me a souvenir. In here you see that お土産をくださいました。You see that it just use くださいます。It just use the くださいます is mean that give or give something. For example, in here, and the person who gave you is the company president, right? Is 社長. 社長 is the company's president, so the company president have a higher status more than you. So when the company president give you something, you will use くださいます. And in here, we will see the example like this. 部長の奥さんが私にお茶を教えてくださいました。部長の奥さんが私にお茶を教えてくださいました。Which means that the department manager's wife taught me how to perform the tea ceremony. So this is a little bit different. You see that after ocha, the word it will be the word oshiete, right? So we change to be the te form, so it can be oshiete, and after that you put kudasaimashita. So this mean that mean not only the person that have a higher status more than you give you something, but he or she do something for you. And in this example, you see that the Bucho no Okusan is mean the wife of the department manager, which mean the manager's wife is mean that she is the person that have a status higher more than you, and she tell you how to make the tea ceremony. So in this case, he teach you, but teach for you, so you not receive directly something, but he teach for you. So in this case, in Japanese, they will use te kudasaimasu. That means somebody do something for you. So you should respect for that person. So in Japanese they use 教えてくださいました which means taught me how to perform the tea ceremony. So this is about the difference between てくださいます and only くださいます In here we have another example like this. 部長が私のレポートを直してくださいました。部長が私のレポートを直してくださいました。Which means the department manager correct my report for me. The department manager record my report for me. In here you will see there's before くださいます is now state is mean is the verb in the te form, right? Now so is mean the verb. So now state is mean the verb in the te form. So after the verb te form is followed by くださいます This means that レポートを直してくださいました which means your manager correct the report for you. If I say it means that my manager correct my report for me, that means I not get something from him directly, but he do something for me. For example, what he do is correct the report for me. So in the case like this, I should or I must use てくださいます because that can help the expression that you respect the person that do something for you. So each Japanese they use the expression like てくださいます So what you have to remember that the difference between くださいます and てくださいます mean that くださいます just mean the person that have a higher status do some give you something directly, for example, candy or some service. But the てくださいます is mean that you use the verb in the て form and followed by くださいます That mean and the person that have a higher status more than you do something for you but not give you directly. So this is the difference between てくださいます and くださいます So I hope that you understand how to use. And thank you very much for watching my video clip. I hope to see you about learning Japanese language in the next video clip. ありがとうございました。